And what do Americans think of President Trump's plans for healthcare? NTD's Sam Wang was out on the streets of D.C. to hear from the people.
President Trump right now, he's negotiating with pharmaceutical companies, making sure that the prices we pay here are in line with what people are paying in other countries. What do you make of that plan?
I think it's an excellent plan, but how's he going to do that? Through negotiation and make more pharmaceuticals here.
Yeah, if we can align with other countries, I think then that seems fair.
I watched some documentary about how much pharmaceutical companies can charge and in the U.S. and it just seemed really high. It would make sense if it's kind of out of control that the government steps in.
I would say that, that sounds like a good initiative in general if you're lowering drug prices for Americans.
I think it'll be effective in the short term. The issue is what's its durability, and for the industry, pharmaceuticals, where do they make up their lost revenue if they perceive lost revenue? If that means price increases, they'll do it somewhere else.
No, I think it's the right thing to do. I mean, it's been far too long for us paying the prices we've been paying while seeing other countries getting, I think, what they call favored nations pricing. So for sure, I want to see us be more in line with that.
When it comes to healthcare, President Trump is talking about, instead of sending money to the insurance company, he's going to send money directly to the people so that people can make their own choice. What do you make of that?
I mean, I'd be interested to hear how that would be done. I mean, anything that I think can be done at the people's choice is a good thing.
I don't see that as being successful in the long run. And if you put the money in my pocket as a consumer, I might simply decide the cheapest drug is the best drug, and that's not always true.
I think if we can educate people on where to put that money, then that feels like the good idea.
To say like, oh, do you want a fair market and prices to be reasonable? That seems reasonable. I don't hate the administration. I don't love the administration. It's just like, it's the government doing their thing. And if it brings good to the people, great.
I mean, I think a better solution would probably be just to have universal health care so that people can, not really have to jump through hoops. And then if they are able to afford a private healthcare, company, then that's their prerogative.
Well, pharmaceuticals, look at the stock and how much they pay their CEOs. Something like $27 million a year. For what? We need to be paying our own people and then allowing us to do what we want with our own money.